Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore QuickBooks Online using backup exports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore QuickBooks Online using backup exports, first, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Import Data. Choose Customers if you want to restore customer data. You will see options for importing data files. Click on Browse to locate your backup export file on your computer. Once you find the file, select it and click Open. Proceed by clicking on the Next button. Follow the prompts to map the columns from your backup file to the QuickBooks fields. Ensure that all necessary fields are matched correctly. After verifying the mapping, click Next to continue. Review the information displayed on the screen for accuracy. If everything looks good, click Import. Wait for the process to complete. You will receive a confirmation message once the data import is successful. If you want to restore your transactions, return to the Import Data section. Select invoices or expenses based on what you need to restore. Repeat the same steps to upload the transaction backup file. Make sure to choose the correct file for the type of data you are restoring. After the import process finishes, review all restored data for accuracy. If you notice any discrepancies, adjust the information as needed. Finally, confirm that all data has been restored correctly to ensure seamless functionality in QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.